This video will walk you through how to pair your child's phone with ManageKit Parent app on your phone. On your device, after completing the sign-up process, either via Google Login or email sign-up, you will see the QR code ready to be scanned. You can share the app link to your child's device using any social media app or email. Let's go through the setup process on your child's device. Take your child's device and install the ManageKit Child app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app. And let's begin the setup process. Press the right arrow to go to the next screen. Here, we will activate Device Administrator for the app. This is to prevent your child from uninstalling the app. Click on the Activate button. This will open a Device Administrator screen. Click on Activate to proceed. You will come back to the ManageKit app. The app now requires permission to usage access to provide you statistics about how the device is used. Find ManageKit Child in the list and turn it on. Then press on the back button twice at the bottom of the screen to go back to ManageKit app. The app requires accessibility permission to block harmful websites and conserve battery. Press on Activate and find ManageKit Child on the list. Turn it on and you will get a dialog box. Please read and press on OK. Then press on the back button twice at the bottom of the screen to go back to the ManageKit Child app. You will only see this screen if you're on Android 6.0 and above. At this step, you will need to grant the runtime permissions for the app to function. All the permissions being granted are used to provide you with monitoring data, such as call and SMS logs, location history, and usage patterns. Press on the Activate button to complete the device setup. Now let's connect your child's device to your parent account. Here, you can either use the camera to scan the QR code or enter the code manually. You need to ensure that the parent device is turned on when you enter the code. You should see a success screen on both parent and child devices. Both devices are now connected. On the parent device, you can activate help on any screen by pressing 3 dots on the top right-hand corner. This will guide you through all the features on any given screen. If you require further support, please email us at info@managekit.com or start a live chat from the parent app. You're now ready to use ManageKit and ensure your child's digital safety.